On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Are you ready, kids?
The following movie is rated
I.
What's up, mini truck? Guess what? We're gonna work on that pontoon boat again. Yes, sir.
It is ma'am.
Let's go fill up the air in the tires and tow her back. Get it situated where we're gonna work on it here next to the garage. I have to order me some of these low profile tires. Oh, they're both flat. New tires. Check the bearings. Looks like you're gonna need a good pressure washing again. And next time you gotta get covered. This is silly. Jeez, it didn't fill up yet? A long time. That's that crappy pump. I'm gonna have to replace it with a Harbor Freight pump, believe it or not. Well, Lowe. Guess some animals called it their home here. Glad there's nothing in it. What do you think? Think this held the oil? I hope so. I've been keeping, oh, there's bees in there. Look at that. Look at that, them sons of bees. I see you in there. Wasp nest. Unbelievable. At least this time it just comes right off. Last time it was attached really hard, like that. You really got to cover your boats. The deck is still solid, I believe. The UV and the weather just beat the hell out of it. Well, this will pretty much tell me whether I should continue with this project or just give up. Oh, it held the oil. Look at that. Well, that's good. It may work after all. Having deja vu there, boys. Gotta cover the boats. Silly me. Silly me. Whew, finally done. Again. And brand new seats. I don't know if anything's gonna take that off. Cover. Alright guys, so we are cleaned up for the second time around. Could be better than the first time. Tires are coming. Didn't come out too bad. Actually, when I pressure washed the first time, I did actually want to pressure wash again, but I don't know what I'm going to do with the seats. They're not bolted down yet. That console isn't bolted down yet. Put my numbers on. This is sitting on a trailer about where it's got to go. I still have to weld those cross braces. Probably get my little spot sandblaster and then run a bead on both sides. Maybe put a little angle iron piece to the center. My winch, I'm going to put a manual winch. It's usually float on anyway, but I have to put my bar coming off of here, and then a T, and then another bar flat with pads on it. You know, so when you pull the boat up, it has just like the pontoon boats have. So I gotta weld something up from here. You know, maybe I'll come off of this. I don't know. But that's pretty much it. You've seen it before, you probably remember. And there's still bees in there. I gotta spray in there again. I don't know what to do about the seats. Like, should I put both seats like right there, or keep one there and one over there? I was thinking if I put both seats there, I could put a cooler back here. Want to sit on coolers like I got from Walmart down in Florida. The front I want to keep open. I don't think I'm going to put any chairs. I want to get a small 8x8 canopy with a screen so I can camp in there. The one, this is actually 8 foot wide. The one in Florida I believe is 7.5 feet. We're back to where we started when I parked it. Finally getting these seats together. All this mold and everything. It's my own fault. Look at it. I do have some stuff that may take that off, but I think it's stained. So before I screw anything down, what do you think of this layout? I just finished putting the seats together with the hinge. I don't know what the heck they did here, but you can't catch both of those screws. Weird. A little fail. I've had them so long, what can I say? My thoughts with this layout is you could sit people there. I'm fat, so I counterbalance people. That's where the power for the battery and all that stuff is. So the battery can stay in here. The fuel tank can probably stay over here. Then, like I was saying before, get a roll-on cooler. The roll-on cooler can kind of fit somewhere back here, somewhere. Had some stuff I'll have to vacuum up after when I move the seats around. They were stuck to the seats. That leaves from here all the way up to there, which is about another 8 foot area. A little more. It's like an 8x8. What do y'all think? Just planning so I could screw some stuff together. That's my windshield came out fairly clean, and I just pressure washed it. That's the layout. Do you like it? Or do you like it the way it was before, where it had a seat there and a seat here? Kind of didn't like that myself, but now I'm kind of liking this because it's a lounge. Leaves more area back there because you're going to want a cooler. I mean, you can even put a cooler up here, I suppose. Let me know what you think.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.